Beautiful smiles, they just light up a room, don't they? Well, that's why it is so important to take care of your teeth, especially when you're growing up. Dr. Daniel Grobe from Scottsdale Orthodontic Care is here with us this morning to talk about the importance of tooth trauma. Wow, you know, it's one of those things you don't really think about, but it can happen anywhere.
Well, it sure can. And in my experience, I've treated probably over 20,000 patients, and I've had to deal with hundreds of them that experienced tooth trauma while they were growing up. Sometimes it's very simple, like just chipping a tooth, but in many situations they had a tooth knocked out on the soccer field or the baseball diamond or some such, or even at home on the cocktail table. So our practice has decided to take kind of a proactive approach and provide parents, families, and now even school nurses and soccer coaches and sports teams coaches with a tooth trauma kit.
Right, and we're going to talk about that kit and what's in it because it's very unique. But I want to back up for a minute because why do we even need to go to an orthodontist?
Well, orthodontists, of course, the obvious reason is to create a beautiful smile, and we sure love to do that. But a healthy bite is also provided by an orthodontist, and an orthodontist that understands how teeth are supposed to fit, how they balance the face, how someone can look very much different when they have straight teeth rather than crooked teeth. It all goes into the package that an orthodontist provides.
And it starts there. That's ground zero, because you say if we take care of our teeth and properly manage them, tooth trauma can sometimes be diverted.
That's right. That's right. So orthodontists provide a valuable service in that regard. And every year there are millions of teeth that are knocked out of the mouth, and it's awfully unfortunate when we have to deal with those situations. So preventing it is probably the best thing we can do.
All right, so for all of you parents out there, or if you're a coach and you're watching this morning, you guys provide what's called a tooth trauma kit. This is the kit. What's inside of it?
Well, in the kit, of course, would be a pair of gloves, because no one wants to put their hands in someone's mouth or pick up the tooth. There's some instructions on what to do in the event of an emergency, and especially if you're on the soccer field or the baseball diamond, you want to be able to jump into action right away. So we have provided an FDA and ADA approved solution to place the tooth, and it's been shown to be very effective.
All right, so this is the solution. You brought it along with you this morning. So go ahead and open that up. So once the tooth falls out, whether you're on the practice field or wherever you are, we drop the tooth into this solution, right?
Into this solution, which has been shown to preserve a tooth for up to a day. Time is of the essence. If an accident happens, getting a tooth into this solution within 15 minutes is the most important thing you can do, and almost assures an 80 to 90% success rate. If people are running around the soccer field looking for a carton of milk or don't
those
know,
are some of the other ways.
Those are some of the old wives' tales that are out there. Time passes, and by the time they get to the emergency room or the dentist, you've kind of lost the battle.
So if you can get that tooth in that solution in 15 minutes, you might be able to put that tooth back in
the mouth, and it can be moved normally, just like a regular tooth. One of the problems in orthodontics is trying to move a tooth that's been replanted. Oftentimes it doesn't move, sometimes it turns dark and stained. I'm sure many parents can identify with the issues I'm talking about.
This will help prevent it, right?
Right, and of course a custom mouth guard fitted to the patient is probably the best prevention. And we provide those to sports teams and patients also.
All right, Dr. Grobe, thank you. Great information. We want to give you a special offer this morning. All new patients making an appointment after seeing this program today, you're going to receive a tooth trauma kit. Also, sports team coaches, you're invited to participate with their team in a mouth guard event, so that you want to learn more about that. Scottsdale Orthodontic Care, they are located at 4910 East Greenway Road in Scottsdale. To book your appointment today, 480-634-7731, or log on to their website, scottsdaleorthodonticcare.com.